Hi everyone, today we are gonna model my shower gel bottle by using Rhino 7. This is our final product. Okay, so let's start. So we are gonna start with adding our pictures in our file. I did this by using picture command, and we are gonna make sure that both of the pictures are at the same size. I mean the bottle is at the same size. And I just wanted to lock both of the pictures so I can easily model my bottle without get bothered with the pictures. We are gonna start with modeling our lower part. And I drew my rectangle, as you can see, but before using that we have to fillet the corners, the bottom corners first. I'm gonna do this by using fillet curves tool, and I'm gonna repeat the process on the other corner. So we are going to extrude our surface right now by using the tool extrude straight, and we are gonna choose our curve, and we are gonna do this on the view right. We have our closed shape here, but as we can see the edges are too sharp for our model, so we are gonna fillet our edges with the command fillet edge, and I'm going to choose my edges right now, and I'm going to repeat the process on the back. So as we can see we have our basic bottom part right now, but we have to add some details. Now I'm gonna make a circle here and cut it. So I change my view to top, and I'm gonna choose circle here, and I'm gonna select here and cut and create a circle, and I'm going to extrude our circle. And now I'm going to create a hole here, so I'm going to choose Boolean difference. As we can see we have our hole right now. Okay, so now for adding the thickness, I'm going to use offset surface tool, and I'm going to select my surface. Now as we can see we have a thickness in our bottle right now. We have little line details in our real object, so we are gonna add these parts right now to our body. So for that I'm going to first duplicate these edges so I can have the exact same line for creating a full line. So I'm going to use duplicate edge command from here. And as we can see we have our exact same edge here. So now I'm going to use flat caps tool, and as you can see we have our rail right now here. So before placing it to our model I have to cut the shape first. Now I want to cut my rail to fit it perfectly to my bottle. For that I'm going to first make this open curve to a closed curve, and now I'm going to extrude my curve. So I'm going to use Boolean split and change my rail first and then my poly surface. So I'm going to erase this part and this part. So as you can see we have our perfect line here. Now I'm going to duplicate it and place it on. So we are going to start our final detail about the lower part of the body. We are going to explode our body first and copy the surface here and paste it. I want to fill up the bottom corners a bit more, and I'm going to trim these parts right here. So we have our surface right now. I'm going to move it back. Now I'm going to choose this surface and use offset surface tool, like that. And I'm going to use fillet edge tool to fillet the edges. And I'm going to repeat the same process on the back. Our bottom part is done. So let's see it on the rendered view first. This is like that. I think it's quite similar with the original one. I created our basic upper body with the same tools that I used while doing the lower part. And now I'm going to add thickness to my body with the same tool again. Like this. And now I'm going to create the bumps here and on the back. And now I'm going to create the other hole that the shower gel going through, that will going through from here to here. So they need to be the same sizes. So I'm going to use duplicate edge tool, and I'm going to extrude it like that. And I'm going to use Boolean split tool, and I created our hole. We are gonna add a little pipe here, and we are gonna add thickness to this part too, like that. So they are gonna fit together perfectly. Now we are gonna add our final detail, and which is this part here. So I'm going to export my model again. Okay, and repeat the process here. I'm going to select both of them and copy them and paste them and move. I'm sure this is not the right way of doing this, but it's just the easy way of doing it for me. I'm gonna repeat the process here. And now we are gonna add the little circle part here. For that I'm going to change my view to front. Maybe it will be better if you do this on the photograph. Like this, and I'm gonna change the shape a little. I changed its thickness and it looks like this right now, and I'm going to use Boolean difference. I'm going to choose this part and this, and we have the desired shape here. So this is our model, and if we compare it with the picture, I think it's quite similar, almost the same maybe. And now we are gonna add color and like the sticker here. So I'm gonna add my sticker with the tool picture, and it's here. Now I'm going to add my colors. So I'm gonna use this color, this plastic material, with the clarity of 20% on my upper part. I'm gonna change my view to rendered to see the colors. Now I'm gonna use this color with the 45% of clarity on my lower body. So we have our final product here. Now I'm gonna add some background detail. So this is our final product. We can see all the details, the colors, material, and everything. Thank you for watching.